At the bottom of our Resolve screen, select the button Media that will open our Media Pool section. At the top of our Media Pool page, you'll see the folders of our computer. To find the file you want to use, you need to navigate through the folder named Path to find the correct location where our file is stored. First, we access the C drive folder from our computer drive. Then we search for the folder Users, and in there you'll find a folder with your username, which represents the part of your computer where all your files are stored. In our case, ours is named LOL. In your user folder, you now have to find the folder that contains the videos that you'd like to use. In our case, the folder we are searching for is in the desktop, but yours might be in a different location on your device. Find your videos folder path. We recognize our videos from their preview and their file name. If we double-click over the video file thumbnail, we can preview the whole video in a big window on the right side of our media storage space. When we've found the video we'd like to use, we select it and drag it to the media pool space below our media storage space. It may be the case that Resolve asks us to change our video format based on the video we choose. Here we will choose No because we want to keep our screen resolution to what it is now. In our case, 1920 by 1080.